All right, it is an impact day. We have a wind advisory in effect for all counties until 1 a.m. You can expect winds out of the west-northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour sustained, with gusts 40 to 45 miles per hour. Even some isolated amounts higher than that already seen gusts close to 45 miles per hour. So that could bring down some tree branches, maybe even produce some isolated power outages. Definitely want to make sure your items outside, like your holiday decorations, your recycle bin, or your trash cans, are secure. We have a 47 mile per hour wind gust right now in Chambersburg, 43 in Harrisburg, 21 in Gettysburg, 32 in Carlisle and in Lancaster. And we still have the front coming through right now, so we could still see those gusts peak close to 50 miles per hour this morning. Then they come down a little bit later this morning before they ramp back up this afternoon, close to 40 miles per hour in the afternoon and the evening hours. So here's our front. We have some light scattered showers in eastern areas, but off to the west, this front is coming through, and you can expect this front to produce some strong gusty winds, perhaps even some damaging winds as it is crossing through the Susquehanna Valley. It is right now from Lewistown to Chambersburg. You can expect some brief heavy downpours. You can see indicated by the orange color here, and this is also going to bring our temperatures down. So while we're in the 50s right now, that is going to change as we head into the afternoon. We'll be in the 40s early afternoon, and then 30s late afternoon. We'll continue to drop into the 20s by evening. However, with those strong gusty winds, we're talking wind chills in the 20s this afternoon and in the teens this evening. Now overnight tonight, the winds will slowly ease up. We've got partly to mostly clear skies. We'll drop into the low 20s, but remember, it's going to be feeling like the teens because of that breeze. Tomorrow, partly sunny, a much nicer day with lighter winds and seasonable temperatures around 40 degrees. So look at these numbers. We're in the 50s, mid to upper 50s right now, but that cold air is knocking on our doorstep. You can see the western part of the state already in the mid 40s, and we'll continue as this front crosses through this morning to see these numbers falling. Here's a look at predictor. Front is through, but then there's a secondary front that comes in behind us. So we get a break from the rain, not from the wind, not much anyway. You can see a few showers here around 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon, and this evening can't rule out a few late snow flurries or snow showers. Otherwise, high pressure will build in for the weekend, help to relax the winds, and we're looking pretty good even on Sunday with partly sunny skies both tomorrow and again on Sunday. Sunday we get a little bump in temperatures because of another boundary coming through. That'll come through dry, but we'll see temperatures climb into the mid 40s for the second half of the weekend. We've already picked up a ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch of rain. Could see an additional amount as that strong line pushes through of 1/3 of an inch, maybe up close to a ½ inch, if not even a little bit more than that. 10-day forecast shows temperatures in the mid 40s on Sunday, but with that front coming through, we drop back into the mid 30s for Monday. Despite mostly sunny skies, it's definitely going to be much colder. A few showers on Tuesday, and then as we head towards Christmas, looks like another system will bring us some, unfortunately, wet weather, not white weather. Temperatures will be on the mild side in the mid 40s.